Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Google Docs dark mode. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Google Docs here. So search for Google Docs and then open up this first link, and from there go to this Docs option, and from there click on this blank option. So right now, as you can see, that we are not in the dark mode here, so we will open up Google again and we will search for Google Docs dark mode. Okay, search this and open up this first link. This will open up a Chrome web store, and we have this extension here which is Google Docs dark mode. So click on this option, add to Chrome, add extension, and this will basically add this extension to Chrome. And once the extension is basically installed, what you're gonna have to do this is you can just reload your this page here, and now you can see that dark mode is right now is here. Okay, so you have to turn this on. So just turn this on, and now you can see that we have a dark mode in Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.